Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's. I'm here to show you the cutest tag accessories that you can use for fall. Check this out. These are so cute. Now, I've attached this one to the back of the chair. This one says gather. It's so cute with the little bead and the floral. And look how beautiful it makes that chair. Your friends and family would be so impressed at Thanksgiving when they arrive for dinner and this is on the back of their chair. Or you could take this cute hanger and put this on a fall pumpkin that you have. And look how it just changes that pumpkin up. This is just a large wooden pumpkin, but you could use fresh pumpkins and put those on your table or set them anywhere. And this is a great addition to those. Or you could always take it, set your pumpkin up on a candlestick, hang your tie from there, or actually put a candle on your stick and let your tag embellish that stick, and that's beautiful. We also have a lantern, and how cute would that be on your lantern? So these are really quick and easy. We have 3 tags that will come in the set. You have the Hello Fall, the White Thankful, and of course this beautiful gold Gather. Everything that you need to create these embellishments will be in your kit. You're going to receive your ribbon and your fall pick. So, as with any paper stem fall pick, we always, after you trim it, you want to dip it in your glue just to seal the bottom of the stem so that that paper doesn't come unwrapped. And next, we're going to take our ribbon and we're just going to create a really easy bow. So, the secret is all in the pinching. So we're going to pinch, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. So we're going to take our piece of wire and wire off our bow, pull that nice and tight, and then we're going to add our bow to our piece, twist that around all nice and tight. And then I simply took the wire that I've used to attach my bow to attach my little tag. So we're just going to slide this wire right through the top of that little jute loop that's on our tag and pull that wire right back around and twist that nice and tight around the back. And now we have another beautiful tag. So this is such a cute set. They could be great on any place that you need to add a little embellishment. You'll get all 3 tags, Hello Fall, Thankful, and Gather. And you can find these at shopdeeslouisville.com.